I'm gonna ask you a 60 slang word, and you have to tell me what you think it means. Bite the bullet.
Oh my gosh. Can I get a different one?
Cat's pajamas.
I don't know. I'll go back to bite the bullet.
Okay.
Kind of like bite your tongue, right? No.
No. Means to face a difficult situation head on. Buzzkill.
Like, hooray! Like, yeah, that was a buzzkill. Good job.
You're being a buzzkill right now with that response. Shot down.
Like, rejected.
Exactly. Rejected. A+. Cruising for a bruising.
Gonna go cruise to get some booze.
No.
Gonna go, I don't know, cruising. You're gonna get a bruise.
Close.